Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Use Basics. Today we are going to learn how to set Google Chrome default zoom level. Firstly, open your Chrome and click on the three vertical dot menu on the top right corner. Select settings from the drop down menu. In the settings menu, scroll down until you see section of appearance. Under the appearance section, look for the page zoom option. Click the drop down menu next to the page zoom and select your preferred zoom level. Once selected, the zoom level will automatically be applied to all the web pages you visit. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.